Hey, what's up everybody, it's Jesus. Welcome back to another detailing video. So I kind of decided to make a video of me explaining how I wash my cars and how I detail the exterior of a car. So it is a normal detail video. I'm just gonna go more in depth of how I wash a car. I know people wash cars in different ways, so I just kind of want to explain of how I clean a car. So how I like to start off all my exterior details, I spray on some degreaser along the bottom trim of the car. Also in the front, I do spray on the hood just because a lot of bugs do land there and then all those bug guts just stay there. So what this degreaser does is that it softens up all the bug guts. That way once I do the pre-rinse on the car, all those bug guts just wash right away. So now moving to step 2, we're gonna go ahead and foam the whole car with our foam cannon. What this does, it just keeps on loosening up all that dirt that's on the car and all that grime that's on the paint, bringing it down as the foam just falls on the floor. That way it'll make it easier for the washing process, preventing any swirl marks or any scratches on the paint. After waiting about 2 to 3 minutes for the foam cannon to do its work, we're gonna go ahead and rinse the car, washing away any dirt or debris that stayed on the paint. So now for step 3, I like to use the 2-bucket method. After washing a couple panels on the car, I rinse it down in some clean water, rinsing away all that grime and dirt that was on the car, and then repeating the same process. Also, when I'm done washing each side of a car, I always rinse it down just because I don't want any of that soap or any of the water drying on the paint, because if not, I'm just doing extra work trying to get it off. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell notification button. That way it'll notify you whenever I upload a video in the future. Thank you. Now for step 4, we're gonna go ahead and grab our waffle weave drying towel and we're gonna dry off the whole car. So now I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, why is he cleaning the wheels now after cleaning the car and after drying it? I always do this, especially since we're out in the sun and we're washing the car. I can't let the car dry with all that water there, because if not, it's just gonna create more water spots, and then I'm gonna have to do the extra work to try to remove those water spots. So I always leave the wheels for last, and with some light pressure on the pressure washer, we go ahead and rinse them off, preventing any water from getting back on the paint. So I'm using a variety of different brushes here. I got one that's gonna clean the inside barrel of the rim, and I got one brush that's gonna clean the outside face of the rim. So to start off, we're gonna go ahead by spraying some tire cleaner on the tires, and then agitating with a bristle brush, and then with our rim brushes we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside barrel of the rim and the face of the rim. So now for the last step of this detail, we're gonna go ahead and apply some sealant on the paint, giving it protection for up to 3 months, also leaving a nice glossy wet look to the paint. Now with a nice clean microfiber towel, we're gonna go ahead and buff off all the sealant, revealing all the shine. So here are the after shots of the vehicle when I was done. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. If you guys have any video ideas that you guys want to give me, I'll make sure to do them so I can satisfy all you guys. Also, thanks for all the support that you guys been showing. We're already at 322 subscribers, and some of our videos are gaining a lot of views, so thank you guys.